6 benefits of doing squats every day that will shock you. What if I told you the reason why your back hurts, your hips are tight, and the reason why you feel stiff all day? It isn't because you need a better chair or an expensive ergonomic setup, but because you have forgotten how to rest like a human. The thing is, most people think of squats as just another leg regular exercise. But what if squats are actually one of the most fundamental movements your body was designed to do daily? We are not talking about gym pro, half reps, or robotic machines. We are talking about real, deep, full-body squats. Knees that feel solid instead of sounding like a bag of popcorn every time you move. Hips that move smooth and pain-free. And a spine that feels like you have just hit the rewind on aging. This is the primal squat. The unapologetically human movement your body has been craving. And once you understand what it actually does for your body, you won't just stop skipping leg day, you'll start squatting like your health depends on it. So in this video, I'm breaking down 6 powerful benefits of squatting that go way beyond just looks. And number 4, it's the one benefit that's been hiding in plain sight, but once you see it, you won't stop thinking about it. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, improve digestion and elimination. Yeah, we're going there. This one might surprise you, but squatting isn't just for building muscle. It literally helps you go. Ever notice how babies instinctively squat when it's time to handle business? That's not random. And in many parts of the world, squat toilets are still the norm, for a very good reason. When you drop into a deep squat, something powerful happens. The pelvic floor relaxes, the rectum aligns, and the body gets the green light to eliminate naturally. No straining, no pushing, no drama. And if you want a proper detox, don't start with fancy teas. Just start with your posture. Sit deep into a squat position and let your body do what it was literally built to do naturally. Number 2, it fires up your deep core and activates your pelvic floor muscles. No gadgets needed. Forget wobble boards and overpriced ab machines. What you really need is true core activation. Sink into a deep squat and just breathe normal. Feel that? Let us know in the comment section. That's your diaphragm muscles, your pelvic floor muscles, and your transverse abdominis muscles waking up from hibernation. A proper squat forces intra-abdominal pressure, the kind that stabilizes your spine and powers your every move. This is how you rewire your breath, rebuild your base, and finally connect to the part of your core that actually matters. No gimmicks, just gravity, breath, and control. Number 3, it builds functional lower body strength. Sure, big quads look cool in gym shorts, but here's the real question. Can you move with power and control when it counts? Can you carry weight while squatting deep on one leg? Can you land softly from a jump without collapsing into a mess? We would love to hear your results. Type your answer in the comments. 1 for yes and 2 for no. Squats teach more than just brute strength. They teach coordination, balance, and full body tension under pressure. Forget the ego lifting. Strength isn't always what you lift, it's what you can own. Feet rooted like a predator, your core braced, and your mind calm. Number 4, it trains you to rest like a human again. Before chairs, couches, and ergonomic everything, there was the ground. And guess what? Squatting was the original resting position. It was your dinner table, your thinking chair, and your toilet, all in one. Cultures that still live close to the earth, they squat with ease. Even kids do this exercise naturally without even thinking about it. Elders do this while having a conversation, while cooking, and while cleaning. But we gave it up. We outsourced resting squats for different types of traditional furnitures, and in the long run, our bodies paid for it. If you spend only 5 to 10 minutes in a passive squat every day, your joints will thank you. And no worries if this is your first time doing resting squats. Start slowly, even if you are able to do only 1 minute, then gradually increase the time as you go. Just listen to your body. And as always, consult your nurse practitioner before attempting any form of exercise. This is how you remind your body what rest is supposed to feel like. Number 5, it gently decompresses your spine. Do you constantly suffer from back pain, or does your lower back always feel tight? You're not alone. But wait, before you drop cash on inversion tables or fancy physio hacks, try this. Drop into a deep squat and let gravity do the work. Let your sacrum open and let your lumbar vertebrae breathe. This isn't about being stiff and braced 24/7. It's about letting the spine move like it was designed to. Daily squats equal free spinal decompression. No gimmicks, just smart movement. If you find this information helpful so far, please like the video. If you suffer from knee pain, the next benefit is the one you have been missing. Number 6. It strengthens joints through full range, not just the easy part. Everyone wants to be strong until it gets uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Strength at end ranges is what keeps you safe. Can your knees move past your toes without pain? Can your hips rotate freely while you're under load? If not, that's your weak link waiting to snap under pressure. Squats force you to get honest. Strong at 95 degrees? Cool. But life doesn't always happen at there. It happens when you have fall, when you twist or turn and recover. And squats prepare you for all of that. So, do you still think squats are just a leg day move? Let us know in the comments below. This is human maintenance that we all should be doing daily. This is how we reclaim our mobility, how we build real-world strength, and how we move like our body was built to move. Here is how to properly do a deep squat. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your toes pointed out. Then slowly lower your body, allowing your hips to sink down as if you are about to sit on a very low chair. Keep your heels on the ground. If this is too challenging, start with mini squats and gradually work your way down. And if you're serious about building a body that lasts for decades, check out this next video here. I'll walk you through exactly how to rebuild your legs, one squat at a time. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video, and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.